If you get a lot of inquiries on different chat platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, or even Telegram, and you're not able to convert those inquiries into actual booking for your business, I've got something interesting for you. I'm Babu Munawar Basha. I'm the founder of Whautomate platform. We help businesses automate the experience across multiple communication channels and boost the sales seamlessly for them. In this video, I'm going to show you a demo of our AI-based appointment booking bot that can pretty much look at your schedule and suggest time slots to your clients and help them book appointments seamlessly on all of these chat platforms. It can even handle queries like rescheduling of appointments or even canceling of appointments, all automated on these chat platforms. It just takes a lot of burden away from you and your staffs to look at building the business rather than having to do all of these mundane tasks. Let's dive into the demo. Whautomate offers a comprehensive appointment booking module built within our platform, which makes it a lot easier to automate the experience on chat platforms as well. Having said that, we also provide an online booking portal, which will be available for you to use as well, that you can connect to your website or anywhere you want to as well. And you can see this is the calendar view of all the appointments for the business for the entire week, and you can scroll through and look at different weeks and things like that. And if you want to book an appointment directly from the admin portal, that option is also available for you easily. And you can also update your staff's working hours for the week directly within our platform, and it gives you options for you to update the availability as well. Let's say if a particular staff is unavailable on a given day because of planned leaves or things like that, you can also block the staff's time in advance so that nobody else books that particular time as well. I've installed our AI booking bot on our staging environment on WhatsApp channel. Let's just test it out. So I'm just gonna message. It should send me a reply, and it is telling me it can help me with booking, rescheduling, and canceling of appointments. And all of these are prompted by us for this demo. Obviously, if you want to change the language or tonality and things like that, it is pretty flexible for you to update the prompt to make it work for your needs as such. So let me just ask. So I'm just going to see if it can help me with the booking that I'm looking for. And it is looking at the available slots, and it is confirming me that 11 a.m. is available. So let me just confirm that I wanted to make the booking. It is actually making the booking, and it has actually confirmed the booking as well. Now let's go into the platform to see whether it actually created the appointment. So I'm going to go back to our platform, navigate, and I can see that it has actually confirmed the booking on 15th at 11 a.m. as well, which is good. Yeah. Now let me just ask a few more questions and see if it can help me with that. Can you? And also do note that because I've already booked before using my name and phone number, it already knows my information. But if I'm chatting for the first time, it would have asked me to give my full name and things like that. And if you want to collect more details, which you can do as well. Yeah. So it has given me the answer that I've got 2 bookings next week. So let me just ask another question. So let me just ask 3 p.m. Yeah, to see if it can actually help me reschedule the booking. So what it will do is it will go check whether the 3 p.m. slot is available. If it is available, and it is asking me for confirmation. Please proceed. So it will go ahead and reschedule the appointment as well. So the next thing that I want to do is let me see if I can cancel. And see if it can actually cancel my appointment. Yeah, it did cancel my appointment, and I can go back and see the 15th, the 12:31 being cancelled. And that's how you delegate the work to AI that can actually handle all of those bookings, rescheduling, all these mundane activities which you don't have to spend hours doing it manually. I hope you liked the demo. And if you want to install this AI booking bot for your business, do reach out to us and we will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.